Setting up lead notifications for faster response times can drastically improve your response rate and help you close deals quicker. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it in just a few simple steps, so stick around until the end for a special offer that will help you do this more efficiently. First, you'll want to start by accessing your software's notification settings. Whether you're using a CRM or another lead management tool, these settings are usually found under Notifications or Alerts in the main menu. For the best response times, you want to ensure that lead notifications are turned on for all important lead actions, whether it's a new form submission, chat request, or any other type of inquiry. Next, you'll need to decide which method of notification works best for you. Most tools allow you to receive notifications via email, SMS, or push notifications on your phone or desktop. Email notifications are great for longer follow-ups, but SMS or push notifications are going to give you the quickest response time. If you want to respond fast, I recommend going with SMS or push notifications. Now, let's talk about notification frequency. You want to set your notifications to come through immediately. Most software will have a setting called instant or real time. This is critical because the faster you see a new lead, the faster you can respond. Don't settle for daily or weekly summaries. Those will slow you down. Another important point is customizing your lead alerts. You should ensure that the notification is tailored to the specific lead's actions. For example, if a lead requests more information or books a consultation, you want to be notified right away. The better you can tailor these notifications to what's most important to you, the quicker and more effectively you can respond. Some tools will even let you set up automated lead scoring or prioritization, which helps you focus on the hottest leads first. For instance, if your software assigns a high score to leads who click certain links or fill out specific fields, you can set up a rule to get an alert only for high priority leads. This cuts through the noise and helps you focus on leads that matter most. As I mentioned earlier, I've tried a bunch of different lead notification systems, but this software we're using here is by far the best. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available for my viewers, so don't miss out on this opportunity to try it for yourself. To quickly recap, you'll want to start by enabling lead notifications in your software settings, then choose SMS or push notifications for faster alerts. Set your notifications to instant or real time for the quickest responses. And make sure to tailor those notifications to prioritize the leads that matter most to you. Key takeaway: the faster you respond to your leads, the better your chances are of converting them. So, make sure your notifications are set up for instant delivery, and always focus on the most important leads first. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below to set up these notifications for yourself. Thanks for watching.